In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an overhead extension with 2 dumbbells on a Swiss ball. So I have covered this video before in an exercise tutorial, but I was gripping 1 dumbbell with both hands, and in this video, we're going to have a dumbbell in each hand. I'm going to be showing you this as a frontal view as well as a side-on view. So firstly, if you've got heavy weights, what I want you to do is I want you to stand up and pick them up with a straight back. If you've got lighter weights, you'll be able to get away with just picking them up on the Swiss ball. But you want to make sure if you've got heavy weights, pick them up with a nice straight back, stand up, pop them on the knees, and then you're ready to go for your repetitions. Now, the first thing you're going to do is a shoulder press. So I bring these dumbbells in a position where they're above my shoulders, pressing them directly up. And now what I want you to think of in this position is core braced as hard as you can, nice and relaxed with the breathing, elbows stay in as you come down and back up with the elbow. So this is a tricep movement. You'll notice there's a lot of lower back and also a lot of core in this as you're trying to keep your stability throughout the exercise. Now let me show you that side on. So you've got the dumbbells in a position where they're on your knees. You bring yourself into a position where you're going to press the dumbbells up. From here, the elbows come back and extend. Elbows back and extend. So the main primary mover is them elbows coming down and back up into extension to work the triceps. Once you've repeated that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, you've done your first dumbbell overhead extension on a Swiss ball.